So I'm coming off Clothiers Creek Road, and the police have told me that there's a bad accident, but the funny thing is it's just trucks that's backed up and no cars. And these trucks are backed up for quite a while, all on the side. So it's truck after truck after truck after truck. So it just hasn't stopped. I can't really see a car in sight though, because it's all trucks. So unless they're lying and telling us something else, I'm not entirely sure. It's just truck after truck after truck after truck, backed up.